One of my favorite examples of a company that really defines its culture is Zappos. They have their 10 core values that employees are expected to adhere to. Here are their values. Deliver wow through service. Embrace and drive change. Create fun and a little weirdness. Be adventurous, creative, and open-minded. Pursue growth and learning. Build open and honest relationships with communication. Build a positive team and family spirit. Do more with less. Be passionate and determined, and be humble. Consider these 3 questions to help you create your ideal company culture. Who do I need to hire or let go? What do I want my culture to look like and feel like? And where can I start?